So I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time covering the specs on this, obviously, because I just did a Kawasaki Pro MX video just last week. But just a quick round off, Kawasaki Pro MX. This is their mid-size side-by-side. This is a 700cc fuel-injected liquid cooled single-cylinder engine. This thing has right around 1,500 pounds worth of towing capacity. It's a 700-pound bed capacity. I think the power that you get out of this machine, I think, is very appropriate for a 700cc. It's very quiet, has the high and low range, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, differential lock, the whole 9 yards, everything you're looking for in a great mid-size side-by-side. So great job, Kawasaki. Kudos to you guys for a great machine. I'm a huge fan of the Pro MXs. Let's dig into this cab system a little bit. I'm going to show you some of the accessories that we actually outfitted this Pro MX with. So number one, right down in front, obviously, you can see actually Kawasaki already outfits these machines with the front brush guard. So you can see this customer actually asked us to install a 3,500-pound steel winch on this, which we did. Great winch. We use Warn for everything. We put Warn winches on our Polaris, Kawasaki, Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki's. Warn is a great brand, great quality stuff. And you'll notice I'm going to plug Moose here real quick as well. We always put these on just so folks don't suck the winch up into the fairlead, but we always do Moose plow setups for our machines as well. So moving on, the rest of the cab system, this is all Kawasaki stuff. So this is the Kawasaki poly roof. You'll notice right up front here we have the strong, very sturdy Kawasaki vented poly fixed windshield, which I'm a huge fan of. It's vented there. You can adjust the vents inside. Now, as far as the doors on this, okay, if you wanted to do a hard door cab, a full hard cab setup, you would actually replace your lower doors. Now, these doors here, this part here, the Pro MX already comes with those half doors, okay? This customer asks us to go ahead and outfit it with the full camo cab setup, which we did. And to do so, to get it to match, you have to go with the camo canvas cab setup. This is sturdy, okay? These things truly do have metal framing up around the door, so you know, to keep it from, you know, getting flimsy and weak and stuff like that. You can actually zipper open the window, so if you want to have an open window, you can do that. So that's pretty neat. And then likewise with your rear panel, you can also zip open the rear panel if you want a little bit of airflow there as well. So everything opens up. So even though this is a canvas cab setup, you have the vented front windshield. You have the ability to vent open your windows, so you can open those completely. And you can also open the rear window as well and roll that up if you want. So that's pretty cool. I'll show you what the inside looks like here on the driver's side. So again, touching on the zippers, you can open up, drop the windows open just like that. Okay. I will say the only thing that's kind of interesting about this, as you can see, there's actually no way of opening the door from the inside. Literally from the inside. I mean, you can still open the doors, and the way you do that, Kawasaki gives you this little flap. You reach down and you're actually opening the door technically from the outside. So that flap comes through, your hand is coming out of that flap and reaching for your door. So that's the only kind of strange thing. I'm a big fan. My opinion on this is a nice canvas cab setup. It is going to keep you out of the wind. It's going to keep you out of the elements, out of the snow, out of the rain. Obviously it looks great. You know, Kawasaki did a great job. The camouflage matches up with the paint scheme, so I think they did a great job there. It's a nice quality canvas cab setup. This is nice, durable. I will say you don't want to leave this kind of stuff out in the sun for too long. You know, I always say I'm a big advocate for taking care of your equipment, taking care of your machines. Don't leave it out in the sun. If you're going to, put it at least under a cover. You know, that's where a lot of folks, you're going to see these things fade a lot. But now if you're out riding in the woods, obviously it's not going to fade that quickly. But just like I say, you know, preventative maintenance type stuff, take care of your machines. So Kawasaki, again, great job on this canvas cab setup. Great job on the Kawasaki Pro MX. Like I say all the time, guys, I appreciate you for watching my videos. Be sure to like and subscribe. If there's any questions or comments that maybe I didn't address that you have on the Pro MX itself, you can either comment, leave your question in the comment section below on this video or the previous video on the Pro MX I did last week, the white one with the hard cab setup. If you have any questions regarding Kawasaki accessories or any of the cab setups we checked out last week or this week, just let me know. Give me a shout. Our phone number is 301-739-2773. And you can also, of course, just like I say, leave your question in the comment section below. Today we checked out this 2022 Pro MX from Kawasaki. And thank you guys for watching.